Hello everyone and welcome back to Option Alpha in this video tutorial for the abandoned baby candlestick pattern. So what we're going to talk about is one of the more powerful patterns that you see out there in the market with the abandoned baby. It's a 3 candlestick pattern, sometimes can be more, but we'll get right into it here on the next slide. So here is the abandoned baby, and it's usually 3 candlesticks, as I had mentioned earlier. What usually happens in this pattern is that there's a long black day, which is this day here that my cursor is highlighting. And this can be longer than this candlestick, obviously. It can be really long and powerful, or it can be fairly short, but you don't want it to have it too short. It wants to be a big, fat, long black day or down day in the markets. This is followed by a gapping doji, and the important part is that this doji pattern, or what looks like a little cross pattern here, is gapping away from this long black day. So you can see there's some space between those two patterns. They're not overlapped. The doji's not right beside the long black day here. So the most important thing is that this doji candle, this second candle in the pattern series here, is a gap lower. Then what happens in the series is that the market will gap higher away from the doji pattern. So we create this long white shadow or white day here on the candlesticks. Again, the longer the candlestick, the better. Obviously, we don't want it too short here on the white day here, but the most important thing again is that there is gapping distance. Again, that the white candle is not down here next to the doji, right beside it. So what this does by gapping lower and then gapping higher right above the doji creates this abandoned baby, or this abandoned candlestick pattern, and it's just this one day that seems to be out here on an island. So sometimes it's also called an island pattern. Typically island patterns are a combination of a couple days here right around this doji, and then it gaps. But usually when you see this abandoned baby pattern, it's a pretty high reliability reversal pattern that we have in the market. Now this can happen on the downside, like our chart is showing you here with these particular candlesticks, or it can also happen on the top side where the market gaps higher, then has a doji, and then gaps lower afterwards. So that is the abandoned baby candlestick pattern. Again, it's a very high reliability reversal pattern, and really good for spotting reversals in the market. So as always, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.